Did you know a conquering caliph once refused to enter one of the holiest sites on earth just to protect it from himself? In 638 AD, Caliph Umar rode into Jerusalem to accept the city's surrender. He came on camelback, wearing patched, worn robes. He had one servant with him, and the two of them took turns walking so neither would suffer more than the other. The Byzantine patriarch had prepared to meet a powerful conqueror. What he got looked more like a traveling monk. Then came the moment that stunned everyone. Umar was invited inside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre to pray. He refused. He said it plainly. If he prayed inside, future Muslims would use it as justification to claim the church as a mosque. So he stepped outside, knelt down, and prayed in the open air. Then he made it official. The act was written directly into the surrender treaty. The church would remain a church. He had total power over that city. He just chose not to use it.